Hello guys, what is up? So welcome back to the another video of this L2W challenge, and I guess it's the third video. In this task, what I was supposed to do is I was given a link of this link. You can see like here or there. Uh, this is actually a personality test. So okay, let's see what it is. So it's all about what aspects of personality does this tell me about. So there has been much research on how people describe others, and five major dimensions of human personality have been found. They are often referred to as the ocean model of personality. So in ocean, you can split the word, and it's like O stands for open mindedness, C stands for conci- conscientiousness, uh, E stands for extraversion, A stands for agreeableness, and N stands for negative emotionality. So you can see my result here. So it's like my open mindedness percentile is 53%, and uh, it is saying that you typically don't seek out new experiences. Okay, so I will try to correct, make a change in my personality with this. And in conscienti- conscientiousness, yes, आ गया भाई, होते हैं थोड़े वर्ड्स. So what it is saying that high scorers tend to be reliable, well organized, self-disciplined, careful, and low scorers tends to be disorganized, undependable, negligent. So what it is saying about me, my percentile score is 87, and it is saying that you are well organized and can be relied upon. Yes, I think that it is true that because I try to manage all my things at a particular place. Uh, yeah. So moving to next, it's extraversion. What it is saying that high scorers tend to be sociable, friendly, fun, love and talkative. Low scorers tend to be introverted, reserved, inhibited, quiet. So it is like you are extremely outgoing, social, and energetic. And my percentile score is 82%. So I think yes, it's good enough. But I was expecting more, like 90 to 95%. But okay, that's fine too, because I like to talk much, and with everyone I can talk. Okay, so the next is agreeableness. So high scorers tend to be good natured, sympathetic, forgiving, courteous. Low scorers tend to be critical, rude, harsh, callous. Okay, so I think it's the lowest of all, and it is like my percentile is 21% only. And it is saying that you find it easy to express irritation with others. Yeah, I feel like it is. I can agree, but not fully agree. It's only when someone don't do the task, or if someone in my team don't do the task properly or on time. So I got irritated because I am very much particular to time. Or you can say I love my grades, and I don't want to compromise with them. So it's fine if I easily express irritation, but I'll try to solve this. The last one is negative emotionality. So in this, my percentile score is 63%, and it's all about that. Sorry. High scorers tend to be nervous, high strung, insecure, worrying. Low scorers tend to be calm, relaxed, secure, hardy. So you and what it says about me is that you tend to become anxious and nervous. Yes, I can completely agree on this, and I was expecting my percentile score above 80 to 85% because it happens to me like almost every time that I've got nervous and anxious. Uh, Sometimes insecure that about only as I said that I like my grades very much and I won't compromise with them. So many times, and only in like exam situations or in you can say that practical time, I got very nervous that what will happen and how can I pass this. Uh, okay, that's all for today. Uh, if you guys want to do this with yourself also, so I will attach the link in the description box. Go and check it out. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe और कमेंट कर दिया करो यार, कभी तो कमेंट मत करो, चलो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, ठीक है, अच्छा लगता है। 3 फॉलोअर्स हुए अभी तक बस, सब्सक्राइबर्स। ओके, सो वील सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय, शब बखैर।